Mysterious spiral signals in the human brain could be key to our cognition. Scientists suggest strange swirls across the outer layer of our brain might be used to link different parts of it together to help process information faster. Mysterious spiral signals have been discovered in the human brain, and the scientists who found the swirls think they could help to organize complex brain activity. The signals, which appeared as swirling spirals of brain waves across the outer layer of the brain, were discovered in functional magnetic resonance imaging fMRI brain scans of 100 young adults, and appeared both when they were resting and working on tasks. The exact purpose of these vortices is unknown, but their discoverers think the spiral signals might be used to link different parts of the brain and help process information faster. These vortices may even be impaired by brain diseases such as dementia, and could serve as inspiration for advanced computers that emulate the complex processes of the human mind. The researchers published their findings June 15 in the journal Nature Human Behavior. Much like vortices act in turbulence, the spirals engage in intricate interactions, playing a crucial role in organizing the brain's complex activities. This is what Pulin Gong, an associate professor of physics at University of Sydney, said in a statement. He said the intricate interactions among multiple coexisting spirals could allow neural computations to be conducted in a distributed and parallel manner, leading to remarkable computational efficiency. And vortex in the cortex. The wrinkled outermost layer of the brain, known as the cerebral cortex, manages many of the mind's most complex tasks, such as memory, attention, language, perception, and even consciousness itself. Many neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease and cerebral palsy affect the cortex. Yet neuroscience has mainly ignored the cortex itself and instead traditionally focused on the connections and interconnections between neurons, the brain's nerve cells, to determine how the wrinkly organ functions. To investigate the activity taking place across the cortex, the scientists took fMRI scans of 100 healthy adults between the ages of 22 and 35. The mysterious spirals, intricate brain wave patterns of various sizes that rotated around central points, were present in everyone. The exact function of the spirals is a mystery, but after analyzing the turbulent patterns, the scientists think that the vortices may act as bridges of communication across the brain, connecting, even traveling across the cortex. By assigning the participants tasks while they were scanned, such as completing math problems or listening to a story, the researchers observed the spirals switch directions from clockwise to counterclockwise in different regions across the brain, a clue that the vortices might be coordinated brain activity via dynamic rotational changes. One key characteristic of these brain spirals is that they often emerge at the boundaries that separate different functional networks in the brain. First author Yubin Xu, a doctoral candidate in physics at the University of Sydney, said in the statement, he said, in our research, we observed that these interacting brain spirals allow for flexible reconfiguration of brain activity during various tasks involving natural language processing and working memory, which they achieve by changing their rotational directions. The researchers said their study should encourage a shift in neuroscientific research towards larger scale phenomena in the brain. Eventually, brain processes at multiple scales could be pieced together to get a fuller picture of how the mind functions. Gong says that learning more about the complex workings of our brain could also have the potential to advance powerful computing machines inspired by the intricate workings of the human brain. Gong said, by unraveling the mysteries of brain activity and uncovering the mechanisms governing its coordination, we're moving closer to unlocking the full potential of understanding cognition and brain function. And this is on Live Science by Ben Turner, and it's on Out of Mind too. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.